What if the person you ignore today is the very person Jesus is stopping for? Brothers and sisters, today's gospel shows Jesus meeting a blind beggar on the roadside. Everyone else wanted him to stay quiet because they saw him as a disturbance, someone who did not matter. But Jesus stopped. Jesus listened. And Jesus asked, "What do you want me to do for you?" And that one moment tells us something powerful, that no cry is too small for God. No person is too unimportant for His attention. And maybe the challenge for us is this: can we stop the way Jesus did? Can we give time to someone who feels unheard? Someone carrying silent burdens? Because sometimes a simple act of listening becomes God's way of healing another person. And when we feel lost or unseen, remember this: Jesus also stops for us. He hears every cry of our heart. So, may we learn to listen, to notice, and to love as He does. Amen.